This is Poland's PL-01, a state-of-the-art tank that stands as a testament to advanced military engineering and design. The PL-01 was conceptualized to revolutionize modern armored warfare. Its futuristic appearance is reminiscent of vehicles from science fiction, thanks to its sleek and angular design, which is not just for aesthetics but serves practical purposes in combat. The tank's armor is particularly noteworthy. It features a modular ceramic aramid shell, which is a composite material known for its durability and high resistance to ballistic impacts. This armor is designed to meet and exceed the highest NATO standards, providing unparalleled protection for the crew inside. The PL-01's defensive capabilities extend to providing comprehensive protection against a variety of explosive threats, including landmines and improvised explosive devices, which are common hazards in modern combat zones. The PL-01 is armed with a formidable 120mm smoothbore cannon as its main gun. This cannon is equipped with an autoloader, allowing for rapid firing without manual reloading, significantly enhancing its rate of fire and combat efficiency. In addition to the main cannon, the tank is equipped with secondary armaments, which include a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun for infantry defense, a 12.7mm heavy machine gun for engaging lightly armored vehicles and low-flying aircraft, and an optional 40mm automatic grenade launcher for additional firepower against fortifications and infantry positions. One of the most advanced features of the PL-01 is its active protection system, APS, integrated into the turret. This system is designed to detect and intercept incoming projectiles, such as anti-tank guided missiles and rocket-propelled grenades, before they can impact the tank. The APS uses a combination of sensors and countermeasures to neutralize threats, significantly enhancing the tank's survivability on the battlefield. Adding to its impressive arsenal is the PL-01's stealth technology. The tank is equipped with a thermal camouflage system that reduces its infrared signature, making it harder for enemy sensors and heat-seeking weapons to detect it. Furthermore, the use of radio wave absorbent materials minimizes its radar signature, making it less visible to enemy radar systems. This combination of thermal and radar camouflage makes the PL-01 an incredibly stealthy vehicle, capable of operating undetected in hostile environments. The PL-01 is designed to be operated by a three-man crew, consisting of a commander, a gunner, and a driver, all housed within the main hull. This configuration optimizes the crew's effectiveness while ensuring their safety. Additionally, the tank has a rear compartment that can accommodate up to 4 soldiers, allowing it to serve as an infantry fighting vehicle, as well as a main battle tank, MBT. Despite its groundbreaking design and formidable capabilities, the Polish military ultimately decided not to proceed with purchasing the PL-01. The reasons behind this decision include the high costs associated with production and potential logistical challenges. However, the PL-01 remains a significant milestone in tank development, showcasing the possibilities of modern technology in armored warfare.